Today we are at the James C. Lillard Railroad Park.
Deep in the mountains of Sierra Nevada lived a small family and their little pup, going on adventures on the open road. Check them out on Classy Bird Vlog.
Where's she going? Today we are at the James C. Lillard Railroad Park. There you go. A friendly reminder, watch your step. Caboose number 1153. Conductor's office. This radio telephone equipped steel caboose is an SP classic. Look at all this fun information on trains. You like your train info. How cool. It's a very cool old train. A lot of do not touch signs, which means people have been touching things that they shouldn't have. Look at these old cabins. That wouldn't be a bad train ride. There's the John. This one has its own personal compartment. There you go. That's pretty cool. Check out this old kitchen. How'd you like to make meals in there?
I would not.
Yeah, I wouldn't either.
The cabinet space is really short. It'd be uncomfortable to...
This is tiny. This is cool how far this train goes down. No climbing, please. Oh, look at this. That's cool. Those seats up there. Who sits there? Is this like the people that work on the train, or? That's what I'm asking.
Maybe this is just like the cheaper seats.
Maybe. Wow, look at all this cool stuff. It is a hot day though right now. We made it to the end.
That's what it's like on a train.
Oh my gosh, guys. Ugh. Oh man. Oh my goodness, guys. It's weird. The dead of winter feels like Reno is standing still. And when it gets smoky and extra hot, it also feels like Reno is standing still. Those are the 2 times a year. Beginning of summer, everyone's out, everyone's having a good time. Mid-late summer, right before hot August nights, it's hard to find stuff to do.
I think part of that is, though, especially this year, Reno's very unpredictable with seasons.
Yeah.
And especially like this summer, it felt like we were waiting forever for summer. Like, I don't know, May hit and it was just rain, rain, rain. And then June hit and it was like kind of warm, but then it would rain. And then July hit and it was like hot.
It's so hot. Well, anyways, we were trying to go to an event, but we're gonna try to make some creative, fun footage for you guys. Cause we're classeteers.
I'm just Nica.
Classeteers. Up next. What do you do in Reno when it's hot, Nica?
Go to the mall.
Back to
Meadowood Mall.
hot dog on a stick, veggie corn dogs, the bomb.
Some great french fries.
Boss Coffee is still here. And the small cop keeps following us.
Or delinquents.
Santa Cruz Sushi, one of our favorites. Sadly, this is one update we don't want to give. Stores closing in Reno.
Everyone was all like, Toys R Us, my childhood store is closed. Guys, that was my childhood store.
It's so strange seeing it all open like this.
I went shopping for our wedding here.
Really? Weird. All the open area, all the ghosts of shopping past. Wow, look at all that. That's a lot of room. I didn't realize how. But Build-A-Bear Workshop is still here, even though it's not in downtown Disney anymore. That's right, that big Build-A-Bear is gone at downtown Disney. How's your iced coffee?
Good.
Rex in it.
What's Reptar?
Reptar.
Does this fit me like the same way the Aces hat does?
Nope,
Really?
does not.
It makes me so sad. I want to wear hats.
Some Nintendo Game Boy backpack. Look, it's Spider-Man riding a unicorn. All these kids making their friends for lives at the Build-A-Bear.
So, there's something that bothers me about Build-A-Bear, and it's really stupid and petty, and I know it. But I like classic, like, teddy bears, and they have these, like, tie-dye looking Barbie bears. It's just not right. That's all.
I forgot this next part. Hey, you can't go in here. You know why? 'Cause you're not sweet. There's one spot in the mall I always smell from almost everywhere away. It's my favorite thing at the mall, and it's not closing anytime soon.
Cinnabon.
Cinnabon. Cinnamon rolls. My true love. Cinnamon rolls. If you haven't had a Cinnabon lately, I apologize, because they're amazing. Everywhere we go, the security guard is there. This one is everywhere. Now, mind you, this is also a small mall.
And fair enough, I kind of look terrifying.
You look scary.
You're supposed to say I don't.
Oh, let me try that again. Honey, you never look terrifying. You're beautiful. You please get me one of these? Look how happy they are. Look how happy they are. That could be us.
They don't actually look that happy. They just look kind of normal.
We could be rolling round town. Hey, Nica, how are we gonna top off this vlog? Hey babe, I don't like the way I am. I think I need more change in my life. A local favorite.
First I was afraid, I was petrified. Remember me, though I have to say goodbye.
Stop stealing the show. I had a good joke. I forgot this next part. Come on. Nothing?
I was just intruding.
No, it's not time for this yet.
It's time, girl.
It's July.
Which means August and then fall.